Hey guys, Becki-licious here. I'm about to show you the most flavor-packed chicken thighs you will ever put in your mouth, served with a Cajun butter rice and a sweet corn drizzle. It's my ranch-crusted chicken thighs, Cajun butter rice, and the sweet corn drizzle. Super easy to make. You gotta watch. Okay, the very first step for this yummy ranch-crusted chicken thighs is obviously we need to take care of the chicken thighs. So we're going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil, and these are skin on bone in chicken thighs because we want, like I said, that crispiness of the skin. So we're just going to get these all mixed around a little bit, and then we have a packet of ranch seasoning, some garlic powder, and some onion powder. So we're going to drizzle this on here. Also salt and pepper it a little bit, and then get this all mixed up because we want this all coated and everything, all those flavors everywhere, because we're going to throw this in our pan. So we want yummy flavor. We're going to throw these skin side down first because, like I said, we really want to get that fat all nice and rendered up so it gets crispy. So this is obviously going to take a few. All right, we're going to flip these chicken thighs over. Look at how yummy those look on the bottom with the skin getting all crispy. Ugh. So we're going to flip these over, and then we're going to let these cook up for probably about another 5-10 minutes or so, and then they're going to go in the oven. While we're waiting, don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends, and click on the link me for some other fun stuff. All right, that chicken is in the oven, and we are ready to make this Cajun butter rice. So I've got my butter melting in my pan. We just need about a cup of just some white long grain rice, and we're going to throw this in our pan, and then we're going to add our seasoning because, of course, we've got to do Cajun because, you know, Cajun. So we're going to throw in some Cajun seasoning in here, and then a little bit of onion powder. And then this, we're just going to toast up the rice for a few minutes until we add in the chicken stock. Been toasting up our rice for a couple of minutes. It's time to add in the chicken stock. So it's going to get a little steamy in here. All right. So we're just going to get this all stirred up, and we're going to bring this to a boil, and then we're going to cover it and let it do its thing for about 18 minutes or so. All right, while that Cajun butter rice is over there simmering on the stovetop, we're going to make this sweet corn drizzle. So I've just basically got a cup of corn, and you can use fresh or frozen. It doesn't really matter. I've got some mayonnaise to throw in here, along with some sour cream. And then we're going to throw in a little bit of lime juice. And then last but not least, we got a little tiny bit of smoked paprika. So we're going to throw that in there. And then we're just going to get this all mixed up. And then this is just going to sit while we wait for everything else to finish cooking. It's time for these ranch-crusted chicken thighs to come out of the oven. And they smell to die for. To die for. So we got that and our rice. Look at how yummy that looks. All right, everything is ready. It's time to plate up and have some dinner. All right, dinner is served. Look at how amazing this looks. Super, super easy to make. Plus, we knew all the ingredients that went into it. Nothing weird, so there you go. So we got to try this Cajun butter rice, though, because it sounds and it looks absolutely amazing. Perfect. Oh, that's so yummy. A little tiny bit of kick. That's what I love about it. So there you go. We had another fun adventure in the kitchen today. I hope you guys had a good time, and I look forward to seeing you next time, okay? Bye. If you like this video, click on this one.